That's what it all starts when an old man is chased by an evil being.
It's coming after me.
A thing of such terror. Old man, you are dead. What have I done to deserve this? I can't walk. Just can't walk anymore.
Oh!
The arthritis is finally caught up.
Let me in! Let me in! Franklin!
What the hell is
Franklin,
that?
let me in!
Hey.
Oh, please.
Hey, old man, what's the matter with you?
You won't believe it.
You need some Geritol or something?
No, I
What's
can't.
the problem then? Tell me what the problem is.
The
What's
Wraith,
wrong with you?
The treasure.
The what? The who? Wraith, they know Wraith and he's part of the... Well, it looks like a map.
You must go.
Poor old man.
You must go get the
He looks terrified. It seems to me now that we have some kind of map here with treasure, and I mean treasure. Never mind these other things, but here's what we're looking for, the treasure, and the X marks the spot. But there's mummies and other stuff there.
Sounds very interesting.
We'll go for it. Yeah, we'll go for it. You bet we will. All for one and one for all.
Yes.
We shall begin our journey here, in the land of the enchanted staff. It's according to the map. Where are the staffs? Oh, there are the staffs! I see them now. We should each take one. There may be some worth in fighting off who knows what. Here, take one.
What?
Enchanted staff?
I don't believe in that sort of voodoo nonsense.
Treasure! Not staves. Well,
oh, my feet are getting so
the snow is so deep.
Hey, go.
How dare you eat my
I shall decapitate you and have your body for my very own.
It's so cool.
Look at that.
Look over there.
Oh
my God.
It's hideous.
Henry.
Jump. Flesh good for me to eat.
No,
He's coming after us now.
I see a house in the distance.
I get you.
I see we must run into it.
Let's go to this house. I bet there's some
Looks kind of
charming Eskimo woman here. A snifter of brandy.
Oh, look at the gorgeous thing.
Oh.
Isn't she beautiful? This is what I've longed for.
Oh, my breast swells with excitement.
Beautiful, isn't she?
Welcome. I can't say it
Nothing
enough.
like the sluts like back home.
This is my humble abode.
She's gorgeous.
Oh, you like what you see, boys?
You're the one who was chasing. I wish she had a pineapple.
Don't mind
I like
that
that.
crab.
Ooh, look at that.
Want some fruit? It's succulent and delicious.
She's mine. Do you hear me? All mine. Let me go.
Come this way, boys. I got something to show you.
Let's go into her parlor, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Come here, sweetheart.
I like the looks of you boys. You got that masculine charm.
Why is she staring in the mirror for so long?
Oh, I just like my
Why is she
pretty
smiling
face.
so evilly? What? She's transforming! She's brandishing a sword!
I am Isis, this snow ghoul.
Oh!
I feed on men like you. Ha ha! Take that. Take it. And die.
Isis, I shall defeat you in the name of all young men.
You die next. Your blood will be splattered all over my humble abode.
Let us go then.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't fear you not, you
You're
slut.
going to get it so bad.
I don't fear slut.
I don't
I
take
never have.
fencing and saber and
I'll
ippy
stab you
for
right in the
nothing.
pineapple, you disgusting,
you-
slimy,
Oh,
filthy,
ooh,
unshaven, slovenly thing.
Oh, your insults are getting to me. Oh, you got
right
me.
in there.
Oh,
That's what you get.
oh,
This is a morality
me and my
tale as well.
pineapple wish you death in the future.
Oh,
I
now I
defeated
can go home and find a real girl. But first, to Dick McGrew to report the terrible things that I've seen.
Weeks later, in the office of his contact, the famous Dick McGrew. working on his next
More
novel.
tools.
Come in.
Hey, come in. Dick, you won't believe what I've seen.
Well, what's wrong, my
She was
son?
horrible.
Who is horrible?
She killed my best man.
Well, you don't mean...
One was eaten by a crab, Dick.
Wow, do you know what this is?
A crab the size of the ones that you see at Red Lobster. It was
the
huge.
treasure, that's what I'm interested in. This treasure out there.
No,
I've been
it's not
looking
treasure.
for this map. We must
Just
go.
Dick.
We must go now.
Just Dick.
No, we must go out.
Intermission.
No.
This book is so frightening. Oh, it's really a page turner. My eyes are rolling from the fear. Oh.